Lorain County JVS celebrating Manufacturing Month.
Lorain County JVS is celebrating Manufacturing Month with a number of activities at JVS and throughout the community designed to build awareness about the manufacturing industry.
As we celebrate Manufacturing Month, it gives us a moment to showcase what we do here at the JVS. We are very confident that our students are being successfully prepared for the workforce.
In my program, the Computerized Design and Drafting program, my students get an introductory of engineering concepts from the sketching to the initial designing to the dimensioning practices. Anything that you could make or see throughout the world today, the students have the opportunity to not only design it but also produce it.
My name is Sarah Park and I am in Computerized Design and Drafting. And this program has prepared me to start college and enter an apprenticeship for the Ohio Operating Engineers.
The Lorain County Growth Partnership and its partners kicked off Manufacturing Month at Toga's Products in Avon Lake, a plastic fabrication company.
Manufacturing is a great opportunity, and for you to want to get into manufacturing, get your hands dirty. Work with your teachers, try to get a part-time job, try to just get that exposure to see what is it like in the real world. It helps you with your education as you're trying to get through JVS and prepare yourself for the next step in life.
We work with the schools 365 days a year, and it was a hard sell sometimes for people to understand why is the chamber, which is the business community, so involved with the educational. If we don't have a skilled workforce, if we don't have that whole next generation that's constantly coming up to provide those jobs for these businesses, those businesses are going to leave, or those jobs are not going to be there for the people who call Lorain County home.
Lorain County Community College hosted a Women in Engineering activity featuring JVS students from our Project Lead the Way program.
So basically we built this robot and it's a 17-axis humanoid robot.
First we did the servos and then we built it and then she troubleshooted it and stuff.
We kind of had to order new parts and then retake it apart, put it back together about 3 or 4 times. It's like cool to maybe something we said, they were like, oh that's cool, I can do that, and then hopefully they realize that you can accomplish a lot, and it might seem like a lot at first, but if you stick to it, it's really rewarding and it pays off.
Lorain County JVS participated in a Manufacturing Month activity at Ranger High Tech Academy, a STEM school for students in grades 4 through 7.
With your emceeing, this was a great opportunity to go into a younger age group and allow kids to really, at this age, start seeing the benefit of manufacturing.
Every single thing on this skateboard has been manufactured.
Goal was for them to understand that manufacturing is all-encompassing. Anything that you can see or touch around you had to be manufactured at some point.
What I wanted those 4th through 7th grade girls to know was that just because they're females and they're also young does not mean that they cannot be successful in, say, a guy's dominated trade. But if they're more hands-on, which females in the trade are very respected.
There's so many opportunities in manufacturing. There's so much that you can go out and do. If you have an idea to make something, if you want to make your own version of a lightsaber, you can do it. It's amazing.
As part of Manufacturing Month, JVS also held a series of panel discussions with local manufacturers, including some alumni, who shared valuable information with students who are interested in pursuing a career in the manufacturing industry.
Very important that you have a basic understanding, a foundation, if you will, what it is that the industry does, what you do in the industry. And without the training that I received here at the JVS, it just simply wouldn't be possible to succeed and excel to the level at which I did in industry.
Learning a trade was the best thing I've ever did. To break it down to the brass tacks of everything, in a trade you have job security, especially in manufacturing, because it's always going to be in demand. It's never going to go away. Just a sense of accomplishment at the end of the day is worth it because you're building something from scratch every day.
When a kid comes in from the JVS and applies for a job, that's something else that we like to see because they've already decided early on, hey, I really want to do this. I've already started my my education direction that way. I've got exposure to machines that are relevant to what I would be doing every day for you. That's huge.
JVS students are preparing for careers in manufacturing now.